Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD Forecast Move beyond 1.30 mark remains a possibility. FOMC in focus analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 63EAD0 7/29/2026 38:45 am. GBP USD continued scaling higher for the 8th consecutive session on Tuesday. The momentum seemed unaffected by a modest USD rebound from two-year lows. Bulls took a breather near mid 1.2900s as the focus now shifts to the FOMC decision. The GBP USD pair added to its recent strong gains and jumped to the highest level since March 11, around mid 1.2900s on Tuesday. The positive momentum seemed rather unaffected by a modest US dollar rebound from two-year lows and even shrugged off fears of a no-deal Brexit. Hopes of some sort of an agreement over the next round of the US fiscal measures helped ease the bearish pressure surrounding the greenback, albeit expectations of a dovish shift in the policy stance by the Fed capped any strong gains. Investors remain worried that the resurgence in coronavirus cases could undermine the US economic recovery, which, in turn, has been fueling speculations of more stimulus from the Fed and held the USD bulls from placing aggressive bets. On the economic data front, the Conference Board's U.S. Consumer Confidence Index fell to 92.6 in July from 98.3 previous. This was well short of consensus estimates pointing to a reading of 94.5 and did little to impress the USD bulls. Apart from this, a sharp intraday turnaround in the U.S. Treasury bond yields further collaborated towards keeping a lid on the attempted USD bounce. Meanwhile, the British pound got an additional boost following the release of UK CBI realised sales, which unexpectedly rose to 4 in July as compared to a modest improvement to 25 from 37 previous. Apart from this, possibilities of some short-term trading stops being triggered on a sustained move beyond the 1.2900 mark further contributed to the pair's move up for the 8th consecutive session. The pair now seems to have entered a bullish consolidation phase and was seen oscillating in a range through the Asian session on Wednesday. It will now be interesting to see if the pair is able to capitalize on the move as the focus now shifts to the highly anticipated FOMC decision, scheduled to be announced later during the U.S. session. The Fed is widely expected to keep its policy measures unchanged at the end of a two-day meeting. However, the accompanying could provide hints of a potential change in the Fed's policy stance at the upcoming meeting in September. The forward guidance will play a key role in influencing the near-term USD price dynamics and provide a fresh directional impetus for the major. Short-term technical outlook. Looking at the technical picture, the pair has been trending higher along an upward-sloping channel held over the past 2-month or so. This coupled with the recent breakthrough the very important 200-day SMA supports prospects for additional gains. Hence, some follow-through strength towards reclaiming the key 1.3000 psychological mark, en route the trend channel resistance near the 1.3030 region, looks a distinct possibility. That said, slightly overbought conditions on daily RSI 14 warrant some caution before placing fresh bullish bets, rather prompt some near-term profit-taking. The pair might slip back below the 1.2900 mark, though any subsequent weakness might still be seen as a buying opportunity. The emergence of dip buying should help limit the downside near the June swing high resistance breakpoint, around the 1.281510 region. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.